Hey, welcome to Wildcat Guitars. We just got this box in from Jackson, so let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, nice. Slime green Soloist. New Jackson American Series. Made in Corona. Wrapped it around the string. So we'll just put that back. Slime green, killer color. Love it on this Jackson. It's got the HSS, Seymour Duncans, Floyd Rose. That one-piece neck with the body, neck through construction. It's just a killer. This thing's gonna shred. Come check it out at the 6-String Jungle. Shreddy Krueger style.